Inside you, there is an ecosystem, not metaphor, a real living network. Millions of interactions happening every moment. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 227. For a long time, we searched for answers outside ourselves. But maybe the first place to look is the system already living inside us, the microbiome, the nervous system, the immune system, the brain. They are not separate worlds. They are communicating constantly. Inside this ecosystem, there are billions of microorganisms. Some help us digest food, some produce substances our body can use, some interact with our immune system. They are not simply visitors, they are participants. And this creates a completely different question. What if the body is not betraying us? What if it is adapting to the information it receives? The ecosystem inside you does not know good or bad. It responds to conditions. Change the environment and the system changes with it. This does not mean everything is simple. It does not mean one food changes everything. But it means we are not powerless. Every choice is information. Every meal, every rhythm, every habit, a signal sent into the ecosystem. Maybe health is not about controlling ourselves. Maybe health is about learning how to cooperate with ourselves. The ecosystem does not betray you. It is always responding. The question is, are we listening? If this resonates, please subscribe, like, comment and share. It helps the channel grow. Thank you.